it's a nice car. Wow. Uy,
Uy.
uy, uy. Pati dito sa Malaysia,
Akin to.
nagbubulsa ka.
Ito. Sawadi ka sa imong tanan.
Yeah, so great. You should book now, appointment now.
Now.
Salamat! We're leaving now. Say hi to our vlog. Bye. Nice meeting you guys.
Kakatapos lang namin magtimbang ng mga bagahe. Kinakabahan sila. Partner, A ka muna.
Alright guys, it's time. Let's go. Alright guys, maaga kaming dumating. Alas 3 pa daw mag-open. Waiting kami. Nakalagpas na kami ng immigration, si partner ang wala.
Tagal niya, hanip.
Sis, dami lang tanong sa akin.
Sumakses sa immigration. Si partner pa ka ba parang maiiwan pa? Boarding na kami.
Umasa at nakaraos. Tinanis talaga ako ng mga first timer. Ako pa nahuli sa immigration.
I'm leaving behind. It's all I can do. Back into the groove.
Alright, touchdown Singapore. Let's go. So, time check tayo. Partner, ano oras na?
Sige lang. Video mo na ako.
10:33 pa lang. 2:45 pa yung next flight namin. Let's go. Singapore. Let's go. Ricardo.
Masaya, Cardo.
Singapore. Bye.
So mamaya ulit may flight ulit natin pa Malaysia na. Ayun. Long flight natin partner. 2:45.
Oo, 2:45 pa.
Pag inagis ko ito gitna partner, makukuha yung motor mo. So ayun, gutom lang kami guys. Very gutom. At walang magawa.
Ricardo, pumayat ka na. Naibayagan mo, pumayat ka na. Alam mo ba yan?
Mahal.
CFC. Let's go.
Tulips and daffodils by my windowsill, and I love the smell. I want new love, new hugs, no shrubs. I pull out the weeds in the breeze, take them off somewhere far where they won't cause harm. And my heart stays warm like my lawn in the sun. Just rebound.
I can fit 7 now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you can bring it with you down.
Okay. Where can I put my luggage? 21 yun.
21. So I will put it.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. Off to Malaysia na. Let's go.
Yun, taka lang. Medyo malata lang kami ngayon kasi putang ina walang tulog. Pero boss, babawi kami sa vlog namin. Siguradong kaabang-abang to. Tingnan, mukha pa lang mukha ng kaabang-abang oh. Ang gwapo eh. Namimingi ka naman pa to.
Welcome home! Welcome home!
Tignan mo yun.
Buntutan. Place lang.
Welcome to Pena.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Hello world! Hello po! Sir. Welcome to Malaysia! Let's go! Mas nabangga ng sasakyan.
Ay, ano daw, kumanta ka daw po kasabi.
Sure!
Yan sa kasal daw.
Ay, opo ma'am. Pinagmamalaki namin to ma'am.
Hey, Sean. Welcome to my vlog.
Parang ikaw pa yung lokal dito eh, no?
Oo, parang si Ricardo lang.
Nagulat sa akin doon.
Parang lokal nga ito.
Kanina nga, Angelica, si Jetro, na nagulat yung nag-ano ng baggage. Kinausap niya. Kinausap ko diretsong Malaysia.
Ay, sige mo mali.
Ano ba tayo dyan? Pa-picture tayo kay Angel. Sa gitna ng highway.
Bali.
Ito pala guys, ito yung bride natin.
See you guys.
Umalis si Groom.
Hindi ako ma...
Umalis na si Groom. Kaya meron pa siya nakapwesto.
Kanina mahihain nung dumating chick nung ano. Ayun na, parating na yung si Groom ulit. Mahihain na ulit yan.
Oh, Chinese national. Si Cardo. Shih Tzu national. Shih Tzu.
Finding someone, 'cause it's unlikely I'll find someone that's fun, baby, like wine, baby. I'm drunk off this rum kick, and you might say that this hot candy and spice gave me a sweeter sugar rush, baby. I fight cravings at night.
Message niyo ko ha.
Hi guys.
Mag-vlog pala.
Yung room namin ay dito sa Urban Suites 15-8. Yan. Alright guys, day 2 na.
Good morning guys.
Time check, 6:50 na. Dilim pa sa labas oh. Let's go.
Yung partner.
Gagi para. May bundok pala partner doon. Ayun oh.
Ay. Mag-alas 7 na guys. Kawawa morning wedding sa inyo ah. Alas 8 na wala pang araw ah. Lugi morning wedding ah.
Good morning Malaysia. Noong oras na, dilim po. Nakagayak na ang mga itik.
Oh, gagam ta.
Pwede na mga itik.
Right, Nescafe number 1.
Uy.
Nescafe. Baka naman.
Oh, kopya.
Hey! Let's go! So, ito yung Airbnb natin.
So for today guys, gagamitin natin ngayon for today. Prenup lang naman kasi. Mag-all the way lens tayo. I'm using 7200 G Master 2.8 sa i7 IV. Yan. So ayun, para mabigay natin yung mga bokeh-bokeh na konti, kapraso. Pero gagamit tayo ng 20mm na Sigma for today. Saka 135mm 1.8. Saka yung 55 ko kasi, rami nila. Kahit favorite ko yun kailangan nila eh. Kasi yung kay Cardo, humihinga. Yung 50mm niya. Mumurahin kasi. Ito yung bahay natin for today. Ay, for 3 days pala. 3 days and 4
Nakadawa yung post mo,
3 nights and 4 days.
Yung post mo sa gitna, partner. Yung post mo. Punta na yung client namin. On the way na daw, susunduin nila kami dito. Let's go! On the way na to sa prenup. Kasama si Cardo.
Passport check pala.
Passport check. Bawal maiwan.
Akala nila. Stop na hipak ko for today. Lokal dito to.
Hipak is life.
Alam ko mga tindahan dito eh. Alam natin mga source ng beef dito, syempre.
What a view! Blue scene, partner.
Syempre, AMP Tires, baka naman.
Hey.
Sponsor na may Wigo ko.
Cardo check. Shoes. Pants. T-shirt. Ako, outfit check mo ako. Check. Outfit check. Nike shoes. Medyas na 50, 100. Ha? Medyas na 3, 100. Baggy pants from Cleo. Let's go. Plus pen shop. Oversized pen shop. Lululemon. And
Dalawang MacBook.
Let's go.
Baka mawala. Hey guys! Next 10 babe! Hey! Nakarating tayo Malaysia.
Let's go, guys. Napag na ng gamit. Yeah.
Tara!
Listen to your heart. Tell them that you love it.
Ayaw ni Cardo ipaubaya sa akin yung prenup ah. Gustong kumamahal ni Cardo ah. Yeah, okay lang. Okay lang. Cardo na daw mag-shoot partner.
Already anticipating.
You go first. Yan. Isa pa ako.
You're getting tired of the waiting. Yeah.
Ang hirap guys. Alam mo yung yung magtuturo ka tas English. Tapos yung English, kailangan Malaysian din. Kailangan mag-Chinese ka din.
Stomach blood when he's
Trabaho ka dyan.
what you already know. And sometimes you can take it slow. Oh, you gotta listen to your heart, baby.
Another one.
You know it might seem crazy, but
And down. Nose to nose guys. Nose to nose. Buti na lang talaga. Pinay yung bride natin. Kung ito pure English, ala na, uwi na.
Traffic yung natin, yung bride.
Saan?
Hot
will you
dog,
say?
cheese dog,
What will you
tatay
say?
mo
What will
sabog.
you say?
You say,
What will you
hot
bring up?
dog, cheese dog,
Are you
tatay mo
happy?
sabog.
Are you happy? This one is the happiest guy.
Anong happiest?
Kaso hindi siya makashoot dahil yung partner ko doon. Inarbor niya na yung prenup. Kasi bukas din na siya mag-shoot.
Look at your hands.
Happy ka ba, Cardo?
Happy, syempre.
Hey. Kasi tingnan mo yung ginawa namin sa kanya. Ginawa namin assistant. Ice. Ice. Dua. Hali. One. Tiga. Park na tayo sa iba, tapos lalakad tayo. Kasi street talaga ang natin eh. We need to walk because we will capture while you're walking in the streets, while you're buying something just like that. Ice, kape sa Duke. Ice coffee.
Kupe.
Ice coffee.
Kupe. 2, 1, then look at each other. Nice.
Sony.
The new one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a flip screen. The same
got
as the
split
Nikon.
screen.
Yeah.
Alright, very nice.
But it's Sony.
yeah, I only do space photography.
Mm-hmm.
I take picture of outer space,
Oh, okay.
galaxy, everything.
So you have bigger lenses.
No, it's telescopes big, but I use Zhou CMOS camera.
CMOS
okay.
from
Yeah,
Nikon.
not good. I'll show you one. You take a picture. So it's quite big, the dome,
Mm-hmm.
because it can fit so many people in it.
Oh, I see.
There's telescopes there and
Mhm.
so many people. But sorry.
It's okay.
I show you a picture of the galaxy I take.
Look at this, guys. The Andromeda taken by Sir using his equipments at the backyard. He uses some telescopes and everything.
He brushes your hair. Tongue is tied up and he can't understand. Not you worried, he not feeling the same.
Mag-shoot din tayo dito. Sweet shoot. Photo walk muna tayo. Little, yeah, Penang.
Sometimes you can take it slow. Oh, you gotta tell him.
Let's eat, guys. It's eating time with the client.
Castle Lema with the Malaysia's traditional pinot plate.
It's so nice. But you are so...
1.5 budget. 1.5 peso million.
Gitnaan nyo to, Angel, ah. Gitnaan nyo, ah. Tingin na kayo, tinginan. Look at each other. Alright. Sa tawid pa. Sige, pabalik na kayo, tapos tingin kayo sa amin. Balik ulit kayo, Angel.
Ha?
Balik na kayo, balik na kayo. More. Angel, doon yakapan kayo. Harapan kayo, harapan. Yakapan. Yeah, just like that. Angel, harap kayo konti sa amin. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Look at here. Smiling. Then again, bro, hug her. Here. Okay. Smiling. Go. Smiling. Happy. Another one. Just like that. Keep doing that. Happy. Then lap. Right. Go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Next location is beach. Mga nakaidip sa biyahe. Kaya ganito. Bagong gising.
Lokal.
Magkape ha. Ako na na.
Can you hear me? I'm crying. Can you feel me? I'm trying. Trying to tell you.
Yeah.
Trying to show
Yeah, sure,
you.
brother.
You don't listen.
Sure. So guys, welcome to my vlog. This is a bittersweet drink.
Ay, sabi mo ano yan, kuwari parang napakamahal na drinks. Gano'n. Kailangan ng yayabang ka sa vlog mo. Yayabang ka.
Habang fresh pa yung...
Drink sila.
Hindi ko alam, mag-aalis lang sa parang boat. Tingnan mo naman.
This is a bittersweet drink from Coconana. Bittersweet is strawberry. Iri-karet dumut payo. Japanese.
What will you do? All I know is there'll be bad news. There'll be bad news. There'll be bad news. There'll be bad news. You don't listen.
Alright, inulan na guys. Bigla na lang umulan. Tapos indoor muna kami. Ayan. Indoor guys, indoor. Welcome to Malaysia. Let's go, indoor muna kami. Patapos na ang prenup.
Prenup pa lang.
Let's go, prenup tapos SDE.
6:01 PM. Mataas pa araw.
Sabi ko last frame na pero may last pa ako.
Hanggang may huli at huli pa rin.
Huling 3 minuto, ibigay nyo na para sa Malaysia ko.
Hey, last set guys. Last set.
Parang bakit daw?
Seeing his face in the crowd.
It's a wrap! Let's go! Alright, it's a wrap guys.
Sa warp guys.
Hey.
Kayari din.
Hey, this is our day 2 in Malaysia.
Yeah, free namin Malaysia.
Yeah, literal na Malaysian concept.
Malaysian
Let's,
concept.
ay,
Parang ginawa mo tayong motor ah.
hey, let's go guys!
What can you say, Sean? Are you happy?
Are you having fun?
Interlude.
Interlude. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Wala pa, hindi pa na-edit.
Ano yung fake number card mo?
I remember when we were 16, had a head full of those big dreams. One day we'd have the crown. Thought nothing could slow us down. Come to find out.
Si partner kahit saan pumunta at home. Lugi sa'yo ba yun?
When they knock us down.
Yeah bro, thank you.
Ground.
Right safe.
Stand up. Let 'em feel the heat when we rise up. Stand up. Come on, stand up. They can see the
Pero saan papunta dito yung SM North?
Ako bukan orang Pilipin. Ako burang orang ano ba?
Opo.
Sama ba? Local ba sini? Partner, tignan mo yung ano nila, electronic box nila. Dito bahaya. Sa atin yung bahaya nasa gobyerno eh. Buhaya pala yung buhaya.
So, ito yung pinag-stayan ng couple namin. Ito yung Airbnb nila. Ito yung mga sasakyan nila. Good morning!
Salamat pagi sa imong tanan.
Hello, my friend.
So, ito yung my friend. So, yun yung bride. Ito ang ating groom, si Sean.
Sa noodles pa, friend. Akari flavor, ma, friend. Akari flavor.
Generic flavor is
Generic
spices.
flavor here in Malaysia.
Yeah. Here in Malaysia, we have a lot of friends. And then they pronounce it, ma friend. Partner, at home ka pa rin kahit saan ka.
Siyempre. Yan ang dadayo. Pagdating, diretso kitchen.
Kayo po, ma'am, misis ni kuya po ni ano?
Ako.
Ah, okay.
Ako si Aubrey. Aubrey Miles.
Wow!
Ang saya. Mapapanood tayo ni Ma'am, pangbalo na siyang subscriber natin.
Aba, nagbablog kami, ma'am eh. Meron na kaming 7 na subscribers. Pang-8 ka, ma'am.
Sige, gawin natin 10 yun ha.
Yun. Pati po yung mga bata, ma'am ha, yung account nila.
They try to make us separate. Try to tell us that we're different. No, we ain't gonna play that game. Deep down, we just
Spicy chicken. Ayam padas. Yaman to. Ato banan. May utang in Philippines. So many.
champagne. Stand up, stand up. Let 'em feel the heat when we rise up. Stand up, come on, stand up. They can see the glow when we light up. We're ripping the door wide open.
So here we now, my friend. Our friend in Philippines, how are you? Now we are here in Malaysia. We are capturing the ring. This is the Lord of the Ring. You see, capturing the ring.
My precious.
Sawadika!
Yan, yan, ya.
Sawadika sa imong tanan. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, my friend.
Yeah, my friend.
Are you having fun? Interlude. But guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga gamit namin, yung super portable. Napakaganda. Sobrang stable niya. Sa Shopee lang namin binili. The super travel tripod.
For only 100,000
Ayan.
rupees.
Nakita nyo guys, mas mataba pa yung light stand sa tripod niya. Napaka-stable, wag lang hangin. Huminga lang siya, gumalaw yung tripod. 3 floor na pala pag yan.
3 floor na pala pag yan.
3 floor na pala pag yan. Ha? Mag-gown shoot na lang ako. Kasi bride kumakain pa din. Wala pa rin siya na preps kahit hindi namin alam kung ano gagawin namin. Pero actually may ano naman ako sa Tinghun. May experience naman ako sa Tinghun. Kaya lang parang iba din yung kada wedding nila dito, iba yung mga ganap nila. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na pag kinasal almost same lang lahat ng timeline. Kasi yung mga coordinator same lang din. Lahat kaibigan din. wala parang di na iba yung wedding. Yung story lang ng couple yun ay iba. Kaso dito iba-iba talaga. Sinisipagan ng my friend ko. Partner.
Ay, tumutong partner.
Ang sipag ng partner ko kasi napaka-stable ng tripod niya. Itong studio owner namin, boss lang talaga. Sabadika. Sabadingka. Latley. Hey. Ito yung bride namin, hindi pa siya nagme-makeup.
Kasi nga, isa yo-yo.
Oo.
Tawag doon, marami kasi akong look eh. Ito muna yung una, yung Chinese eh. Tapos magpapalit ako ng buhok. Kaya habang napapalit ako, si Sean muna kukuhanan niya nun. Tapos kuhanan niya yung mga pamilya.
Kompleto na may groomsmen niya ngayon. Yung groomsmen niya, sa darating.
Mga hapon pa eh. What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Ito yung family ni Bride, puro Pilipino. Naiintindihan kami.
Mga Pinoy din sa wakas.
Kaya nga eh. Buti na lang may Pinoy. Hello! Congrats na agad!
Dami ang
Where Sean? Sean, come here. Where are you going, Sean? Play na yung Save the Date kahapon. Naka-ready na yung SDE. Kakatapos lang. SB19.
And just to mention, they came all the way from Philippines, the 3 of them, all the way from Philippines to support the couple and make this beautiful video and capture their memorable day today. Let's give them a round of applause, such a good job.
Your camera.
Your camera doon.
Ano? Tinani ka ano? Camera mo na. Okay.
Kabila, Cardo.
Wala ka.
Kay Sean.
Ready?
I'm professional photographer.
No instructions. Ready?
It's okay.
Walking already. Just day one. Portrait. Okay. Thank you guys.
Congrats, my friends.
Thank you, my friend.
What can you say about us?
Yeah, so great. You should book now. Appointment now.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Congrats.
Hey! Naitawid ni partner yung walang istorya.
Photo with the couple. Feel free to come to the front to take the photo with them.
Dumayo ng Malaysia. Akala ko magjo-joke kami. Aray ko! Muntik na, papi.
Thank you.
Nairaos natin.
Nairaos din sa
Cardo B in the house.
Sa nagsasabi na wala akong mararating, ito na yun. Nasa Malaysia lang ako.
Nasa Malaysia na kami. Let's go!
Let's go!
Philippine represent!
Philippine represents.
Hey, Cardo P!
Cardo lang nagpalabas ng bansa.
Wala na, partner. Malungkot na. Uwian na.
Pero kasi sa ito sa...
Bye-bye. Bye, buddies.
Eh, hindi pa kami magsa-signing off pa. Diretso pa kami sa vlog bukas. Samahan niyo pa rin kami sa pag-uwi namin. Say hi, say hi.
Yeah, guys, we're leaving now. Thank you so much. Thank you. Salamat.
Hi, host. What's the picture with you?
Okay. Ready. 1, 2, smile. One more.
Huwag sa ila, partner.
Waki.
Lucky, say hi to the vlog!
Hey, say hi here. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Hi, Sean.
Sean, bye. Say hi to our vlog.
Say hi to our vlog.
Bye. Nice meeting you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.